All right, so you just took your time and you figured out these questions. Let's see if your thinking was in the right place. Here we go. Number 1, each shape is one whole. Use the model to find the equivalent fraction. Equivalent means equal to. So I have one circle that's broken into fourths and one that's broken into halves. 2/4 is shaded. What else is shaded on my other one? 1/2. 2/4 and 1/2 are equivalent. They have an equal amount of shaded area. Okay, each shape is one whole. So this big rectangle is one whole, this rectangle is one whole. Shade the model or use the number line to find the equivalent fractions. So on this one, you're either going to use the model or a number line, depending on the question. So here we go. I have 2/4 shaded here. So if I shade the same amount of space on this one, how many do I have shaded? On here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 2 shaded over here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 over here. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded in. Okay? So 4/8 is equivalent to 2/4. Okay? Number 3, 12/6 and something thirds. Well, if I look at my sixths, both of my circles are completely shaded, right? It's 2 different circles because I needed 6 pieces in each, but 12 total shaded, so that equals 2 pieces. This one, if I shade in both of my circles, I'm counting by thirds now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces shaded in. So 12/6 is equivalent to 6/3. Let's look at number 4. Andy swam 8/8 mile in a race. Use the number line to find a fraction that is equivalent to 8/8. What do we know about 8/8? It equals 1. Any number over itself equals 1. So looking at this number line, which other fraction would be equivalent? That's right, 4/4. It also equals 1. You guys are doing great. I can feel it. So here we go. Circle equal groups to find the equivalent fractions. Equal groups to find equivalent fractions. On this one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares, and 3 of them are shaded. And it's asking me to find the equivalent for 2. So, if I want to divide this into 2 pieces, I can use my pencil or my pen tool. And now I have 2 equal pieces. And half of it is shaded. 1/2 is. Okay, let's look at this one. 6/6 is shaded. But now they want me to divide it into 3 equal pieces instead. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 equal pieces. All of them are shaded. So 3/3. Number 7. Write the fraction that names the shaded part of each circle. Ooh, here we go. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. 2 of them are shaded. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. 1 of them is shaded. I have 1, 2, 3 pieces. 1 of them is shaded. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. 2 of them are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. 2 of them are shaded. Don't forget this question. Which pairs of fractions are equivalent? Ooh, which ones are equivalent? Okay, we can do this. Here we go. Just looking at the picture, just looking at the shaded pieces, I see this one, this quarter of a circle, and this quarter of a circle, or fourth of a circle, are equivalent. So 1/4 and 2/8 are equivalent. Do I have anything else that's equivalent? I do. Look at this. 2/6 and 1/3. Those are the same shape. So 1/3 and 2/6 are equivalent. So the only one missing a partner is 2/4. What would be a good partner for 2/4? What if I divided this into eighths? 4/8 would be equivalent. Just saying. All right, I hope you did well. I hope it's making sense. We're going to do the same thing on the next page. You're going to give it a try first, and then you can check your work at the bottom of the page. So you have on here problem-solving skills. So all of these are word problems, and you are going to read carefully to make sure that you are doing what they want you to do.